Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss SSC CGL 27th August 2016 को जो हमारा पेपर हुआ था. And guys, we all know that SSC CGL online हो चुका है, so it is very difficult to provide the exact question paper. So our team has researched and we have provided the most expected questions जो हमें लगे कि यार yes they are asked in the examinations. So we will begin with general awareness. Now the first question that comes is Siachen Glacier dispute is between which two countries? So it is a dispute between India and Pakistan. Guys, हमने provide किया है कुछ explanations in which some questions like explanations are required so to understand the question properly. So where is Siachen Glacier? So it is located in the Siachen region in Kashmir, so that's why it is a dispute between India and Pakistan, and it is a region of Kashmir, Siachen Glacier. Now the next question is, who is the first governor of independent India? So the answer is Sarojini Naidu. Next one is, what is zeolite? So zeolites are hydrated aluminosilicate minerals made from interlinked tetrahedral of alumina and silica. In short, any minerals made up of hydrated aluminosilicates are called zeolite. Next question is, Kakori conspiracy took place in which year? So it took place in 1925. Up now the question arises that what is Kakori conspiracy? So the Kakori conspiracy was a train robbery which took place between Kakori and near Lucknow on 9th August 1925. So Kakori conspiracy is mainly a train robbery. Component responsible for acid rain. So the main components are sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides. Next question, bubbles from liquid are formed due to, how they are formed? They are formed due to surface tension. Highest source of pollution in the world is carbon monoxide. How many members need to start the proceeding of the House of the Parliament? So the correct answer is 1/10 of the total number of members in the house. It means total number, the 1/10 of the total number members are required to start the proceeding. The highest number of gold deposits found in which desert? That is Gobi Desert. Next is, which state has more literacy? Punjab, Maharashtra, Mizoram and Odisha. So the right answer is our Mizoram. Boiling point of water depends on, yes, it depends on atmospheric pressure. Headquarters of FIFA is in Zurich. Next question, CAG does not audit which of the following mentioned? State government accounts, central government accounts, local bodies, government run companies. So CAG is mainly a government body that is Comptroller and Auditor General of India, and it does not audit the local bodies. Next question, who is the author of A Thing of Beauty is a Joy Forever? So John Keats is the author of A Thing of Beauty is a Joy Forever. Next question arises, that is, which monument is called Dream of Stones? So the correct answer is Panch Mahal. So guys, there are only 15 questions from general knowledge, and the next our section is reasoning. So guys, reasoning में we have provided explanation so that आपके लिए easy हो जाए समझना कि how it came. So the first question is 64, 144, how 1256, what will be in the place of question mark? The answer is 400. But how? So we will see here that 8 square is equal to 64, that is 64, that is 8 square, and next is 12 square, that is 144. It means कि we have added 4, 8 plus 4 equal to 12, then हमने 12 का square कर दिया. Similarly 256 is 16th square, and then we will add 4, 20 square equal to 400, and that is our answer. Next question is ACEG ZXVT and then HJLN, what will be in the place of question mark? So if you have done, the right answer is SQOM. So how it comes? These are the opposites of each other. A का opposite Z होता है, C का opposite X होता है, E का opposite V होता है, G का opposite T होता है. Similarly Z का opposite S होता है, J का opposite Q होता है, L का O होता है, and N का opposite M होता है. Like these are the opposites of each other. So how it comes? So there is a trick, and you can say trick and tips and tricks for this. Like means कि जो opposites होते हैं उन दोनों का सम 27 होना चाहिए. For example, A is our first number और सम हमारा 27 होना चाहिए. तो 27 minus 1 equal to 26. So 26 number is our Z. So A is the opposite of Z and Z is the opposite of A. Now another example, like B is second number, and so its opposite will be 27 minus 2 equal to 25th number, that is Y. So B is the opposite of Y and Y is the opposite of B. Next question arises is 5 question mark 23 47 95 191. If you are done, then the answer is 11. How? Like first one is 5. So we will 5 का square plus 1, that will be 11. Let's check it. 11 का square plus 1, that is 23. 23 का square plus 1, 47. 47 का square plus 1, 95, and 95 square plus 1 is equal to 191. So that's why 11 is our answer. Next is A P C Q E R Z question mark question mark. If you are done, then the right answer is S I. So how it is, like guys, in this question we have jumped one. For example, A, then C, then E, then the G, then one skip करके H I. So last one is I. Then if we talk about the first one, so P, Q, R, and then S. So S I is our answer, like you can see in the explanation. Next question is F L U G M V H N W I O X and then question mark. So if you are done, then the right answer is J P Y. How? Like guys, ये 3 वर्ड है हर उस सेंटेंस में. So these are individuals, so we will treat them individuals. The first word is F G H I and then J, L M N O and then P, U V W X and then Y. Like we have to treat them individually. Next question is 2 5 9 19 37 and then question mark. So the right answer is 75. How? 2 का square plus 1 equal to 5. 5 का square minus 1 equal to 9. 9 का square plus 1 equal to 19. 19 का स्क्वायर माइनस 1 इक्वल टू 37. इट मीन्स लाइक हमें उसका स्क्वायर करना है, देन पहले 1 प्लस करना है, देन 1 माइनस करना है, देन प्लस एंड देन माइनस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज WBP SGM OLJ एंड देन क्वेश्चन मार्क. सो द राइट आंसर इज KQG. हाउ? लाइक अगेन वी विल ट्रीट देम इंडिविजुअली. ये 3 वर्ड्स हैं और तीनों इंडिविजुअल हैं. सो इफ़ W -4 करेंगे हम तो हमारा S आएगा, S -4 करेंगे O आएगा, देन O -4 करेंगे तो क्या आएगा. सिमिलरली नेक्स्ट में हमने 5 5 ऐड करा है. B +5 करेंगे G, G +5 करेंगे L, L +5 करेंगे Q. सो सिमिलरली और थर्ड में हमने 3 3 माइनस कर रखा है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 1 4 10 19 31 देन क्वेश्चन मार्क. सो गाइस द राइट आंसर इज 46, बट द क्वेश्चन इज हाउ. सो लाइक what we did, like 1 + 3 4, 4 + 6 10. It means हमने पहले 3 प्लस किया, then 6, then 9, then 12. मीन्स कि वी आर एडिंग द मल्टीपल ऑफ 3 का मल्टीपल ऐड करते जाएंगे. 1 4 10 19 31 एंड देन 46 मीन्स 3 प्लस किया, फिर 6 9 12 15. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द गिवन अल्टरनेटिव वर्ड सेलेक्ट द वर्ड विच कैन बी फॉर्म्ड यूजिंग द लेटर्स ऑफ द गिवन वर्ड. मीन्स वी हैव वन वर्ड प्रोनाउंसिएशन एंड हमें इसमें से बताना है कि ऑप्शंस में से कौन सा इससे बन जाएगा. सो ऑप्शंस आर प्राउड, नेचुरल, प्रोनाउन एंड प्रोटेक्ट. सो गाइज लेट्स सी. फर्स्ट इज प्राउड. सो यू कैन सी द D इज नॉट अवेलेबल इन प्रोनाउंसिएशन. नेचुरल L is not available in pronunciation. Protect में similarly E is not available. But in pronoun all the words are available in pronunciation. Hence pronoun is our answer. Because next one, in a certain code production is written as this, and how is orientation written in that code. So guys, let's see, like in first word is p and then it becomes q, it means we add 1. सेम ओ है, हम इस पे 1 प्लस कर देंगे, देन इट विल बिकम पी. देन आर था, इसका क्यू हो गया, इट मीन्स हमने 1 सब्सट्रैक्ट कर दिया, आर में हम सब्सट्रैक्ट किया, देन इट बिकम्स क्यू. मीन्स हमने पहले 1 प्लस किया, देन 1 माइनस किया, देन 1 प्लस किया, देन 1 माइनस किया. बट इन द 6th नंबर दैट इज सी, वी हैव एडिड 2. मीन्स लाइक यू कैन सी सी से ई बन गया, तो सी डी ई. दैट्स वाई सिमिलरली वी विल डू इन द सेम T U V, we will add 2. So you can see the answer in the explanation. Next is we have to find the odd one out from the given options: amoeba, bacteria, germs and microbes. Guys, these except the germs, all 3 are germs. We categorize them as germs. So germs is our answer. From the given earlier, select the word which cannot be formed using the letter of the given word. Consideration means हमें ऑप्शंस में से बताना है कि कौन सा इससे नहीं बनेगा, विच कैन नॉट बी फॉर्म्ड. सो ऑप्शंस आर कंसीडर, कंसर्न, नेशन, रेशन. सो द कंसीडर इज अवेलेबल. कंसर्न, लेट मी चेक कंसर्न. सी, लाइक you can see in concern there are 2 C, but in consideration there is only 1 C available. That's why concern is our answer. Next is the which one figure will complete the question figure. So हमें complete करना है. So guys, it is clearly seen that first एक white है, then black, white, black, white, black, then white and then black. That is option number C. If a mirror is placed on the line AB, then which of the figure is the right image of the following question? Means this is the question figure and in this line AB we will place the mirror. यहाँ पे हम एक mirror रखा हुआ है, तो इसका opposite जो image बनेगी वो कैसी होगी इन 4 options में से. So guys, like this, if यहाँ पे mirror रखा हुआ है तो जो this line है ये like this होगी. So option B is our right answer because that will be the exact opposite of the question figure. The question number 15 is select a suitable figure from the. हमें क्वेश्चन मार्क की जगह बताना है कि यहाँ पे कौन सी फिगर आएगी. सो लेट अस चेक. इट इज़ सिंपल, लाइक फर्स्ट, देन उसके अंदर एक गोला, देन यहाँ पे देखिए 3 है, यहाँ पे 4 है. सो इट मीन्स यहाँ पे कितने हैं? 2. तो 1 2, दैट इज़ अवर ऑप्शन बी. सो गाइस, दैट इज़ over for reasoning. Next section is our English, and English में guys this is for self practice only. Like in English में we have provided you the question, you can check and you can solve them yourself कि check करने के लिए कि how much you are prepared for the exam. इनमें हमने किसी answers में bold कर रखे हैं and some are not, so you can check. Like practice is our very important for us. CGL exam online हो चुका है and like let me tell you that जो difficulty level है वो पहले से काफ़ी आसान है. So guys, you can, if you worked hard you will get it. बहुत आसानी से अगर आप वर्क हार्ड कर रहे हैं, प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं तो आप आसानी से कर लेंगे. पेपर सॉल्व करने की कोशिश कीजिए as much as you can and प्रैक्टिस कीजिए. Like it will be beneficial for you for the exam. This is the unseen passage. Like you can first इसको पढ़ने का, like first read the full unseen passage, full passage, like आप पूरा passage पढ़िए, then आप question answer आप बहुत आसानी से solve कर सकते हैं because you will understand the passage then. Just have a look at the unseen passage. So guys, 25 questions are done for English and like all the questions are almost done. So guys, practice it for as much as you can and all the best for your exam and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.